In this session, let us learn about Java create or write files. Create a file. To create a file in Java, you can use the create new file method. This method returns a Boolean value true if the file was successfully created and false if the file already exists. Note that the method is enclosed in a try catch block. This is necessary because it throws an IO exception if an error occurs, if the file cannot be created for some reason. See, if you write and execute this code, the result returns this: the file created, file name.txt. Yes, the file name was created. To create a file in a specific directory requires permission. Specify the path of the file and use double backslashes to escape the slash character for window. On Mac and Linux, you can just write the path like username, file name, text. See, if you write and execute this code, the output result returns this absolute path. See, users my name, file name.txt, the text file created. Write to a file. In the following example, we use the file writer class together with the write method to write some text to the file we created in the example above. Note that when you are done writing to the file, you should close it with the close method. See, if you write and execute this code by using close method, the output result returns this: successfully wrote to the file. To read the file above, go to the Java read files video. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 49, Java create write files. In next video, let us learn about on the topic Java read files. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.